I know that. But me prefer live the life here and do something me love.
I understand what you're saying, but remember say you have a daughter. You have to think about she too.
So, you know think, say me make sure say destiny alright?
Okay, just say so. So, what them have you do for the security company?
Check on the recruits them deploy every day. Check on the training sessions. And make sure say all of the sleeper them depend them grid.
Well, that's so exciting to me.
It's alright, but corporate life enough for me.
Don't worry yourself. You so get used to it, man.
And that's the thing now. I don't want to get used to the life there.
Whisper, as a super agent, you have to know all of the area them.
That's not my thing, you don't understand. I can't bother to dress up in a jacket and tie and chest up, so chin up, and you have to just always attack corporately to people and in a standard English. And that's my style, that. Look like it fit me.
Hello, Mr. Whisper, security expert.
Boy, you see, you laugh, you think I joke.
It's not that bad, you know, Whisper. Stop going so, man. Anyways, you talk to Bubbles?
I'm going to link a couple nights ago, you know. Just to make sure you know, so I'm up on the ground and pray. See me, you see me?
Just that alone?
Yeah, I never want to talk about the other part.
Okay, sir. May I come? So come, because the lady.
Big police.
Hey, Shorty, what going? You alright?
How far is it?
Oh, so where is it? Okay, alright. You eat already? Alright then, I'm there around the shop, you heard? So when you're ready, you can follow. Alright. Yeah. So what going with you? You say a top specialist, you know?
Don't worry about her. I have a track up on her broom.
She's much more than meets the eye, don't it?
Well, I hope not. Because I really don't want to have to make any harsh decisions.
Your wife?
Her life. So tell me now, what you plan to do with yourself and Raymond?
Sir, I don't want to focus on that. I just want to throw myself into work and I just don't want a distraction.
No. You see the problem about throw yourself in a work? That is a recipe to drown. You have a life to live. Raymond is impetuous at the best of times. But you need to understand that Raymond is no fool. He knows what he wants. And I know for a fact it's not her. Here's the choice. A lady who get up and leave him at his darkest and deepest moment of despair. And someone him willing for to stay in a grocery store with.
Sir, me can't play the game there. I'm wife and she's back.
And they did say, until death do us part.
Yeah, and me no.
Look, Savage, as I said, is no fool. If he wishes to go back to this woman who deserted him, so be it. But if he doesn't, you need to support him in his decisions. Plus, I'm certain she can't cook like you.